Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another progressive income video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, I'll be just quickly going over how to get some NFTs for free. Now NFTs can be digital assets and it's now booming, and especially with Facebook introducing Metaverse, NFTs will be very popular. So without further ado, let's get into it. So there's a couple of ways of getting NFTs for free, but the main way I recommend is first of all making an OpenSea account. So OpenSea is where NFTs are traded and bought and sold. So once you have an OpenSea account, as you can see, I have a couple of free NFTs here and I'll show you how to get them soon. So you make an OpenSea account first, then you want to hop over to Reddit. Now once you're on Reddit, you want to join NFT forums. So this could be, for example, one I'm on now is NFT Marketplace. And there's a couple of others out there. So we have NFT Art, NFT Deep Value, NFT Exchange. So you want to join as many groups of these as possible. Now, once you join, you can just scroll through some of the posts. So you can just scroll down and you can find some here. So for example, this one here, 22 NFTs, giveaway, upvote, and comment address, right? Some of them are giveaways, some of them you can just get for free. So even with this giveaway, this one's very easy to get. So just upvote. And with commenting your address, so your address will be on OpenSea. So you go to your profile on OpenSea and you'll see a bunch of numbers under your username here. So you want to hit copy, and once you hit copy, you can just comment your address on the post, just like this. And that's all it is, and hopefully you'll get an NFT. And if you do this with 10, 20 posts each day, you're bound to definitely get some. Now, obviously these may not be as high as value as some of the ones obviously on the market, as if they're giving it away for free, but who knows, they can definitely turn into something big. And then once you've been gifted your NFT, it will go in the hidden part, and you can either choose to sell it or hold it. Now I'll show you how to sell an NFT. So for example, with this Imperial Starship NFT I have, I'm currently selling it on the market right now. So with this Imperial Starship, I'm currently selling it on the market right now. So current price is only $1.95. It's not really worth that much. However, once you have access to it, you can hit sell. Yep, and you just want to choose how much you want to sell it for. So let's say 0.001 Ethereum. Sorry, 0.000, let's go 0.001 Ethereum. So $4.51. And then you just do complete listing. And then you'll be asked to sign. So you can just hit sign here. Give it some time, it'll open your MetaMask notification, and then you can just accept it. So once you have accepted the transaction, it'll be up for sale, and that's all it is. Another thing I want to mention is I have my own NFT launch at the moment, and it'll be absolutely lovely if you guys can go check it out. I've put a link down in the description. It's Turtle Tails NFT. We aim to create a positive environment while also donating partial funds for sea turtle conservation. So if you guys are interested or just want to say hi to me, please join the Discord group in the comments, and my Twitter's down there as well. So yeah, that's all for today. And if this video helped, please like and comment and subscribe. It means a lot. And thank you very much. See you next time.